In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download a Canva video in high quality so your final export looks clean, sharp, and professional every single time. This is perfect if you're creating videos for YouTube, Instagram, presentations, ads, or client projects, and you want the best possible quality straight from Canva without compression issues. We'll go step by step, and I'll also share a few quick tips along the way to make sure you don't accidentally lower your video quality. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once the Canva homepage loads, log into your account using your email, Google, or Facebook login. After signing in, you'll land on the Canva home dashboard, where you can see all your recent designs and available options. From here, look at the left side menu and click on the Videos option. This will filter Canva's templates and designs so you're only seeing video-related projects. Next, select the type of video you want to work on. This could be a social media video, presentation video, YouTube video, or any other format Canva offers. Choose the one that best matches your project requirements. Now, you have two options. You can either click on one of Canva's ready-made video templates, or you can upload your own video file and customize it as needed. If you're starting from scratch, templates are a great way to save time. But if you already have footage, uploading your own file works just as well. Once your video design is ready and you're happy with how it looks, go to the top right corner of the editor and click on the Share button. This opens up several sharing and export options. From the menu, click on Download. In the download settings, make sure the file type is set to MP4 video. This is usually selected by default, but it's always a good idea to double-check so you don't accidentally download the wrong format. Now, this is the most important step for getting high quality. Look for the quality slider and drag it all the way to the highest setting. This ensures your video exports in the best resolution and bitrate available. Keep in mind that higher quality means a larger file size, so the download may take a bit longer, especially for longer videos. Once everything looks good, click on the Download button. Canva will start processing your video, and after a short wait, the file will be saved to your device. And that's it. Your Canva video is now downloaded in high quality and ready to be uploaded, shared, or edited further. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.